In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change resolution in DaVinci Resolve. If you need to adjust the resolution of your project, this is a very quick setting to change, and once you know where it is, it only takes a few seconds. This is useful if you want to match your video to a specific platform, improve playback performance while editing, or make sure your timeline is set correctly before you export. To begin, look at the bottom right corner of the DaVinci Resolve interface. You'll see a small gear icon there. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open your project settings. This area contains a lot of important options for your project, but for this tutorial, we're only focusing on the resolution setting. Once you're in the project settings window, find the timeline resolution option. This is the setting that controls the resolution of the timeline you're editing in. In other words, it determines the size and dimensions of your project while you work. If you click the drop-down menu, you'll see a list of preset resolutions you can choose from. This is the easiest option if you want to select a standard size like Full HD or 4K. If the resolution you need is listed there, simply click on it to select it. If you need something more specific, you can also manually enter the width and height values instead. That gives you more control and is helpful if you're working with a custom format or a non-standard frame size. Just make sure the numbers you enter are correct, since even a small mistake can affect how your project is displayed. After changing the timeline resolution, take a moment to double-check that it matches what you want for your project. Choosing the right resolution can make a big difference in both quality and workflow, so it's worth confirming before you continue editing. And that's it. That's how you change the resolution in DaVinci Resolve. As a quick tip, it's usually a good idea to set your timeline resolution early in your editing process so everything stays consistent from the start. But if you do need to change it later, now you know exactly where to go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.